who made it.
Alright, what's up, y'all? So we have just left from the hospital. Had x-rays done. Nothing is broken, thank God. Just the rash and sore ass shit. So I'm going to take my ass home. I probably ain't nothing but like crackers and fucking cookies. A pack of cookies and like half a sleeve of fucking crackers the last 2 days. So I'm finna grab me something to eat and go home and fucking chill and relax, man. Stay off my leg. Let that bitch rest. Take my medicine. And I'm off work for like the next 9 days, so let's take that time to rest up and look at how much my replacement parts gonna cost. Alright, so I don't know why, but I wanna ride by fucking where that shit happened at. So this was the street that I usually turn on when I come out this way, and the way that the train tracks is, they a lot flatter. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go down so I can ride across the intersection where it happened at, ride across those train tracks, because for what I've been told, a lot of people say them tracks is just bad. Like, it's really like a fucking ramp. Like, so I'm probably mad at myself that like I didn't know enough, or what I did know didn't work to prevent that shit from happening. Because like I said, for the past 10 years, I had been that rider that had never fallen. You know what I'm saying? But they say it's only two types: those who have fallen and those who have yet to fall. So I am now on the other side. Alright, so this is a street right here. We're gonna make this right. So I was coming this way, you know what I'm saying? And as you can see, it's kind of traffic's kind of heavy, you know what I'm saying? Luckily, thank God, yesterday when I fucking fell, it was not, so. So you got your railroad crossing right up here that we approaching. So like, if you can see, like, that shit is, yeah, I had no clue. I had no fucking clue. No fucking clue. I think I anticipated that shit to be like a little like smooth, definitely smoother than, you know, just maybe like smooth like regular tracks, you know, lift up your butt and be good with this. But that was not the case. And you flip back around. Like I said, everything just happened so fucking fast, man. I don't even know. Everything happened so damn fast. So yeah, so train tracks right here. And then, like, as you can probably imagine, shit, I'm rolling. You know what I'm saying? Doing probably about 30. But that shit go up and then down like that. And we was not ready for it. We was not ready for it.